Yo, what is up everybody? It's JT and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing video. I recently went on StockX and purchased my first pair of Yeezys and I am so excited. Before we get into this video, and if you're new to the channel, be sure that you go down there, hit the subscribe button, and then ding this notification bell for future content. I post every week. And then hop on over to Instagram and follow me at hey.jt, and then give this video a big thumbs up because it helps me. So me, I'm like your all-American guy. Like, I can wear Vans. In my favorite time of the year is like fall and winter, so like I can do boots and stuff all the time, but like when it comes down to sneakers, I am not that big of a fan. I'm big on clothes, but like my sneaker game, it kind of fell off. So I decided to purchase me some Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2s, and I could not be more excited. Like, I am not a big sneakerhead, and I never thought in a million years that I would pay as much money as I paid for these. So let's hop into this unboxing video and then we'll see what we're working with. Let's go. Okay, so I didn't know that these shoes were as popular as they are. Well, I knew they were popular, but I thought these were the kind of shoes that you can just go into the store and say, hey, can I get those pair of Yeezys in a 9? You know what I'm saying? And like they give it to you. But the lady, and everywhere I went, every sales associate was just like, yeah, you're not gonna find any Yeezys in the store, you know, unless you're like lucky. So I asked like a lot of my friends and a few of my coworkers who are big sneakerheads, like, where can I get an authentic pair of Yeezys? And they told me to either do GOAT or StockX. And I got told GOAT kind of last minute, so I went on and made my purchase on StockX. And when I tell you, I was horrified. But my experience was like pretty legit and pretty quick. Like, I ordered them last week on Thursday, I think, and I'll say by like Monday, the seller shipped my shoes to like, I guess like the warehouse where they authenticate like the shoe or something. And then literally like it took them like 2 days to verify that the shoes were authentic, and they sent them, and literally like I got them today, which is like the following Saturday, you know. So basically it only took like a week process, and I never heard of people doing that, but I guess like with shoes this expensive and the fact that they're on high demand, I guess everybody wanted them. So let's see. The packaging. Woo. I see it has Boost here, and it has like the 350 here. Oh my God! I heard that like the Yeezys, they fit kind of snug, so it's always good to go a half size up. So I decided, ironically, to actually go with a 10 just to be like on the safe side. All right. So this is basically a letter from, I guess, the guy, the CEO at StockX, just basically saying like, thank you for your purchase and everything like that. And I see you also get like the StockX like sticker. I think that's pretty cool. And here they are. Yeah. Bang! And then plus, like, I know for a fact they said that, you know, StockX, they put like this little sticker here just to make sure that, you know, it's legit, it's verified. So yeah, this thing is nasty. Like, I really wanted to like, you know, masculine and mature my fashion a little bit more. Like, I know I'm good like when it comes down to jackets, like I'm good with like the graphic shirts, I'm good at picking out jeans, but my shoe game is like, I get tired of wearing Vans. It's like, it's always like, you know, pretty much expected. So I decided to cop me a pair of Yeezys, and by the looks of these bad boys, like, I'm glad I did. All right guys, so let's try these boys on and let's see how they fit. Yeah, even just by like feeling the size of them now, I'm actually kind of glad I decided to go a size up. All right. Alright, good people, so I hope you guys enjoy watching me unbox my first brand new pair of Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2s. If you're new to the channel and you like what you saw today, you already know to go down there, hit the subscribe button, and then ding that notification bell for future content. I post every week. And then also make sure you guys comment like some good advice on how to style these Yeezys. I mean, I know I'm probably gonna hook them up, but I like to see some of you guys' suggestions. Hop on over to Instagram and follow me at hey.jt, and then give this video a big thumbs up because it helps me. And as always, my name is JT, so until next video, I'm out.